Yeah, it seems to me, Michael, that maybe there was some understanding that this could happen because, again, number one, the witnesses are there already. A lot of times you don't call them in if you don't think you're going to have the opportunity or chance to call them unless they want to be there on their own, and they're allowed to do that. But also, this is the kind of case, Mike, that I feel like it's really just about telling the story about what happened and what happened after. So there are certainly fact patterns where I would say, you know what, the last thing I want is to start my case in the middle of the state's case. But this is one of those cases where it's really, again, just about what happened in that moment, what happened after. Not sure it's as impactful calling witnesses out of order than some other cases.
I agree. And as you and I both know, we went to law school, we took all the exam questions, right? And we know that our professors were very sadistic and they gave us fact patterns that were right down the middle, right? The exams in law school never asked you, hey, what are the elements of murder one, right? And the difference between murder one and two. They said, here's a fact pattern. It could go each way, argue at both sides. And so that's what this fact pattern is turning into. Hey, your client colorably defended himself. He has a colorable argument of self-defense. This happened in a state that did not give him a duty to retreat. It did not impose that duty. And oh, by the way, he lied to investigators after the fact and lied to the nurse about the murder weapon, and it was a complete lie. Go ahead and argue it. And so on top of all that, let's call witnesses out of order, right? And so you have to bring in two of your witnesses during the case in chief for the prosecution, and then after that, bring on your case in chief, but you can't recall those. Well, you could recall those witnesses, but maybe you don't want to. They already have their testimony on record. So this thing is just a pure law school exam question, and I would be kicking myself if I was the defense attorney trying to keep track of all of this stuff.